So I'll quickly go to new, as you know by now. So it means you have to create your GitHub repository, and then when you are done, you can push your files from your local machine, which is the Git repository, to your GitHub repository. So let's give it the name. This time I want us to change the name. We say Don't Hub. So the Don't Hub, yeah, this is what I want. So it says, okay, so it's giving us, so it says your new repository will be created as the Don't Hub, right? Because of the space we've left in it. So once again, I'll leave it as public, right? And then you can also add a readme file, but for now let's leave it this way and create our repository. Alright, so once you are done creating our repository, I want us to come here. It says push an existing repository from the command line. Because we are using the command line, we are going to use this one. So what you have to do is copy the first line. You copy it, you go to our git bash terminal, and then we will paste it right here. I think I missed something here. Oh no, okay, I think I left some chain here. Let me add it and press enter. And then the next step is copy the next one. Let's paste it in here. Oops, this is, why am I doing this kind of? Okay, press enter. And the last one will be git push, right? So we copy it, then we will paste it right here and press enter. So now let's take a look at what. All right, so it's done pushing, right? It's done. So now what we have to do is let's refresh our page and see what happens. All right guys, so we've been able to push our codes from our local machine onto our GitHub repository. Now we have two approaches to do that, right? Remember the first one, which is drag and drop, and this one using the command line, right? Thank you very much for being with me. Don't worry, you have advanced one coming up. See you soon. But before I go, why don't you click on the subscribe button if you haven't, and join this community. Me talking about the community, then let me use this opportunity to thank my board members. The technical team are actually working really hard for us. Thank you guys, love you all. So see you next.